There's no hope for that road, this dirt road here. Every time it rains. So we had rain instead of snow. Very windy, a lot of wind today. Windmill. And look at the road. Look at the condition of the road this morning. Just had to. Look at that. It's just a mess. Look at this. Here come the potholes again. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? It's back again. Oh, it's a mess. Very windy. How are the birds doing? Oh, I wonder. Here's a bird tree. Guess they're hiding in the tree branches. Yeah, that's it. That's this morning. I better get in now. Make breakfast for the girls. Look at that. I just love this windmill. Love that. I'd like to find another one. It was a gift. Peter bought me that. The Seafaring Man. I love boats. Yes, and it Rose. Yes, and it Rose. You ready to be a good girl now? You ready to eat? Okay.